Hello guys, welcome back. Our final tutorial in this section will be accounting, and then we'll talk about FamBa's accounting, how the basic accounting here works. We'll first start with make expense, where you can type your type of expense. Maintenance, I would say that maintenance, I think I would just say VRA power. And then the amount was 1,000 incurred by admin. It's paid, it's a paid expense. Then I will choose the date and pay. Alright, with expense, if the expense is a maintenance expense and then it has to do with an agent coming over to do the maintenance, you can take the person's name and telephone for reference purposes. Expense history will show me all the expenses that I've also incurred, and categorize them also for me. So that is how you make expenses. Agent account is an agent account. We can do more transactions here. In fact, agent account shows the agent themselves. If they do a shortage, it comes here. If they do an overage, it also shows here. So FamBa trading as an agent is taking 200 cedis today, and the 100 cedis is a loan. I will just indicate it here, loan. So loan will be received. It's going to the person. So when I reset and I choose FamBa trading, I see that FamBa trading took a loan of 100, has not paid yet, so it's owing me 100. Okay, that is also the same way. If FamBa pays, I can say that FamBa trading has paid me 50 cedis today. Payment or loan deposit. Loan deposit, I pay. So when I pay, it means he has paid for his loan, and now he owes 50 cedis. So basically, that is all about agent's account. You can create shortages in the name of the agents to affect the customer and the agent. Let me do one shortage, and you see shortage. You choose a customer. I would choose and I would choose the agent FamBa trading. Now the amount is 250. That means, assuming I'm an agent and I go out to collect money for the company, I went and collect 250 from customer Yaya and I didn't bring it to the company. When the company realized that the agent has paid to you, they need to create a shortage. This is how you create a shortage. You choose the date. The date can be backward any day, and you say shortage, or you can give a better description that you would remember. I would just say cash shortage, then I will update. Now the system will go ahead and pay 250 to the customer's account, and then deduct 250 from the agent account, so the agent will get that shortage. So when I reset this, I see the agent is owing more. I can just choose FamBa trading, and you see he's now owing 300. He has received a shortage, cash shortage of this. Now when we come back to our SRM debtors, and then we look at customer Yaya would be the last customer. You see Yaya just received a shortage payment of 250 Ghana cedis. And then so that's how it affects the customer who the agent took money from and negates the agent's account. That's very well about this. And I think the next aspect of it will be CRM and SRM. We've talked about that. I would just take a look at banks. Now you look at what you have in the banks here. You can create a new bank. I will just create a new bank for you to see. Bank name is FamBa Ltd. Bank number 20200. That. Now actually the bank is EcoBank. The accounts type, it's a current account. It's active. I save. Now when I save and I click on new transactions, I'll choose EcoBank. I'm putting 5,000 in EcoBank. I will call it cash. I'm goofing with my keyboard. Cash deposit. And I will say probably NT Ishmael. This is paid and the payment was today, so I would credit my accounts with that. And then if I open my bank transactions, I can see that I've received a total credit of 10,150. EcoBank credit is 1,000. EcoBank balance 5,000. If I can also look at my credit history from here, and the system will show me my credit history, all the creditings I've been doing, and those doing them. I can also see my debit history, all the debiting I've been doing, and I can check my statements, which are both showing my accounts and then the transactions that are happening. So if it's a credit, I can credit. A debit, I can also debit. List will list my banks, the banks I have. So this is all I need to do about banks transactions. We will take a good look at cash book, because payment sheet is the same as the payment. You just choose the customer and then the balance will show here. When you double click, it will open the statement directly, and then you can update the cash. Maybe the person brought 100, you can say okay, 100 paid. When you're done, you pay. The system will create a report of this and generate a code for you. Print. I'm not printing. So basically this is all that happens here. Let's go to payroll, and then payroll will show your previous payrolls, new payroll. You choose the period which you are paying the employee. I would choose from 1st of May to actually 31st of May. I'm paying FamBa Solutions, and then I would choose basic salary. It's 500. This can also be configured automatically. Basic salary is 500. Then I paid. I can also say that I'm giving him commission of 150. I can describe it. This commission is actually for fuel. Then I can pay. Now you see there's com reg sales shortage. Com reg shows the payment the person has brought forward. So when you click, it will show this is all payment this person has brought forward between the period you are searching. I have brought payment worth 9,450. That's average of 1,890. 5 times I've brought payment to the company as an agent. So this is all the money I brought. This will help if a company pays you based on how much you bring. So just want to know how much you're bringing. Now, registrations will show how many customers have registered within that same period, and then it will open. It says only one customer. Now, sales will show how much I have sold as an agent, and then the system would then load that, how much I have sold within that specified period. Now, when I say shortages, the system will show shortages and then tell me that okay, he's actually owing us 300. So now I know he's owing me 300. I can say shortage deduction. I'm deducting 150 from the shortages. Is it a deduction? I will say yes. Now the system will go to agent and make payment of that 150. So the agent no longer owes. It's now owing, but not up to the 3 something he was owing. If I'm done, I can see that the net salary is 500. I can say save and new. The system will save, generate report. I'll say no, I'm not sending SMS. So this is the payslip, and this one can also be printed. Now that is all for payroll, and then we will discuss more in more update tutorials. But we can come back to agent accounts and filter, FamBa training, FamBa technology, and we'll see that FamBa Technology made payment of 150 cedis into as shortage deduction payment. So he has paid for that. You can have a better description. That's payroll. Shift will show all the collections, individual closing shift, and how much they've left behind. Also, you can explore that. Let's go to cash book. Cash book shows your cash in and cash out. Now we've seen the cash ins and the cash out. We can look at their statement very well, and then we can even view filter or print filtered. Thank you very much for taking time with me in walking through FamBa Electronic Professional. Please stay tuned to our upcoming videos on various updates and then various functionalities that might be added to the package. And the last part we want to tackle is shift. When you close shift, the system will tell you your startup cash, the sales cash, your drawer cash. Enter how much is at least in your drawer. I've made 150. To this, you give a reason for that, then you can close your shift. When you close in your shift, the system will generate a shift close report, and then you can then say, okay, I'm done. So those reports are all generated successfully now, and then I can close my system. Your shift is closed. Thank you. Now the shift close report has come. It's telling me the sales, the payments I've received, the sales I have made, the credit orders I have made of the day, and then I can sign here. My boss can approve. Thank you very, very much. See you in our next tutorial.